Welcome back, guys. I'm Matthew, and I wasn't able to do a Will It Shave Wednesday this week, but I did get a little package in the mail. So let's do an unboxing by 345. Now, these boxes are always a little tricky to open up. Sometimes they have the little flappers on the end. This one is not going to be a tricky one this time. But it's one of those, sometimes it's those boxes that's got the multiple tabs that interlock with each other, and they're tricky for me, especially when you're cutting them open. Comes nicely packaged with some extra styrofoam beads. And this was supposed to be, this is a new release is what it is. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm trying to get all these beads out of one of my shave bowls here. And you know, you get those little things all over the place. But you know, it's always nice to get a little personalized note from John. And let's open up the soap first. See if I can find the bottom of this. Christmas. This is the General Patton by 345. There's also a nice little sticker in there, and a cool little dog tag. So let's get to smelling on this soap. Let's see, does it tell you the, no, it just tells the ingredients. But the one thing that I love about this soap is it's got the different milks in it. It's got the donkey milk, the camel milk, and goat milk for the old trifecta, but it's also got beef tallow, so what would that be? Quadruple fecta. It's definitely a nice warm scent. Look at that. Can you see that? I like how it's got the different mixtures in there. Man, this is, like I said, it's a warm scent. I can't wait to use this. Look at that. I'm picking up some Tonka bean. There's definitely some amber in there. Vanilla. I can't even tell you what all's in there. But I'll probably put a little description down below. And then I like I said, I got the, I always get this matching splash. It kind of seals the deal for me. I'm not going to open it up, but man, look at that. I do like these little bottles. They tend to not fall over. And then he even put in there, what is this? Solid cologne. Ooh. Let's open that dude up. It's got a little top cap on there, protective. I'm gonna take that off. I'll have to let you know what the wifey thinks on that. Well, there you go, guys. A little quick unboxing video. Very nice. John, that's an excellent scent. I'll be using that on Sunday. And I got some other stuff coming up, so stay tuned. You guys have a good weekend.